Well, it's me again. Things are slowly coming together, so hopefully I will be here more. I have a brand new window. I'm putting new flooring down. And this came in the mail. Do you know what this is? This. Yeah. This is my Enchanted Mysteries box from Disneyland Paris. At this point, I really don't even care what's in it. It's just that I got it. Yay. But I know you're curious to see what's in it, so keep watching. Look at this packaging. Karen, you have all the little feels going on in this. Oh my goodness, there's, on the box itself, there's printed as the Eiffel Tower, there's Darth Vader, there's Cadbury chocolate. Oh my goodness. For those of you who don't know, I love Cadbury chocolate. Cadbury chocolate, the Eiffel Tower, Darth Vader, mini ears, there's mini ears, and then this. Oh my goodness. Isn't this just, oh, yeah, okay. So let me quit drooling over the box. I'm so excited. Which way does it open here? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited I can't even tell. And then the ribbon for France. Yep. Okay, it opens this way. I'm so excited. Like I said, at this point, I could care less what was in the box. Just got, oh, and look at all the little confettis. Yes, there's Mickey ears and stars and the red, white, and blue. And we have some stickers. Oh my goodness, stickers. And then a postcard. Thank you for purchasing our June mystery box. It's been lovely seeing your reactions to our new design. May the mysteries continue. Karen and the team. Yep. Okay. Before I rip this open, look at that. I can feel something shifting in the box. I need to be careful. I've gotten Karen's boxes before, but this is the first Disneyland Paris one, and love Paris. I have been to Paris, and that's a whole different ball of wax. And I loved Paris. We went to Paris at Christmas time. But that's on my bucket list is Disneyland Paris. Okay. Okay, let's get this open. Okay. This is the castle at Disneyland Paris. This will be going on my vision board. Oh yeah. Yep. That's where that's going. Oh my God. Oh my. I'm so excited I can't even show you the box. Just stop. Okay. Here we go. What is this? It has the Disneyland Paris. And it's a backpack. Oh my goodness. For those of you who don't know, my husband is taking me on vacation this fall. We are going to Universal. We are going ruby mining. First we're going ruby mining, and then we're going some other gem hunting, and then we're going to Universal, and then the last week is at Disney World. So this will be perfect. Oh my goodness. I don't want to unfold it because I'll never get it back in there, but it's a backpack. That will be perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to use that at Walt Disney World. And knowing that it came from, and it says Disneyland Paris right here. Oh my goodness. Love it. And chocolates. The chocolate coins. I'll save these for my daughters. My daughters absolutely love this. And my daughters are 24 and 25, just so you know. Cool, huh? Okay. Soap. Looks like a little soap box. So you can see it. I'm really far away from the camera. I have to work on my setup. I'm sorry. It's Tinkerbell. goodness, look at this. I know my nails need to be done, but it's Tinkerbell. Okay, that's going. I don't use my keys a whole lot. Yeah. We have like keyless entries to everything. But, oh my goodness. I love that. And I love the little box. Okay. I see something over here that I'm just waiting. Okay, red velvet bag. I'm so excited. This is horrible, isn't it? Okay, let's open this up. A grown woman getting this excited about opening a box from Disney. I'm a Disney adult. Oh, it's a pen. Oh my goodness. Let me take it out of the plastic so you don't get any reflection. The Haunted Mansion at Disney World is one of my favorite rides, and this is what they call the Phantom Manor. Try not to get... Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, my youngest daughter is going to be so jealous. She collects all the bags. She has a bag from every park at Disney World and one from, I can't even think, my brain, Disney Springs, but now I have a Disneyland Paris one. Oh my. Okay, I'm going to stop. I think I know what this is. I messaged Karen before she left and I said, you know, you got me the You Are Here from England, and I would love one from Paris or France. And she did. Oh my goodness, Karen. Thank you. So she does have a form that you can fill out and you put your likes and your dislikes. But this was something I really, really wanted. Look at it. Okay. It's got a small world and the castle, and I'm assuming their version of Big Thunder Mountain and Tomorrowland. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. There's one more thing in the box. I think I might hyperventilate before we get to it though here. This is from Erebus Brothers. Crystal Arts. Oh, this is... That's what this is. It goes on this side. Okay. Just, wow. You know, I have gotten other unboxings and mystery boxes, but so far this is my favorite. I'm sorry. This is my favorite. Okay, free foam. I'm afraid to take it out because I don't want to break it. It's Minnie Mouse. And I'm going to have to put a picture in here because I don't think y'all are going to be able to see how absolutely beautiful this is. And the base is purple. It's Minnie Mouse. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay. I set this very gently back in here because, oh my goodness. Karen, you outdid yourself. I wish I could go to Paris with you, to Disneyland. But since I can't, this is almost as good as being there. I'm going to have to pause here and just collect myself. Yeah. Wow, Karen. I couldn't pick out a favorite item if I had to. At this point, I could not. It's like she knew exactly what I would have purchased for myself if I had been there. That she got the mug for me. And I'm not one of these people who put it up on the shelf and then never use it. I will actually use this and drink out of it. This will be my coffee tomorrow. Yes, it will be. This Minnie Mouse is perfect. She didn't know it, but I purchased a domain for our travel that's called Mini Trips. Because we travel to Disney a lot, but we also, like I said at the beginning, we're going ruby hunting, and we might go to the Crater of Diamonds. My husband's into collecting gems and stuff. So the name of the blog is Mini Trips, where we can, because my husband and I are going to start to travel more. And this is just like a sign. Manifesting what you want, and it's just like, yep, that was a sign. That's what we were meant to do. So, wow. The pin for my favorite ride, the backpack, the postcard for my vision board. I couldn't pick out a favorite one if I tried. I'm going to link down below. If you are looking for a mystery box that goes above and beyond stuff that you might find these at Disneyland or Disney World, I don't know. But the thought that this came from Paris, this came from Disneyland Paris is just thrilling. Okay, I'm going to sign off, or I'm going to start to bawl and boohoo. Thank you so much. Visit her, join her Facebook group, follow her on Instagram. Yeah, her and her team, her family, above and beyond. Thank you so much. See you next time.